he was nowhere to be found. On a nearby tree, I spied a white-winged owl, looking triumphant and full. From then on, I vowed to avenge my dear Sniffles and rid the world of those white-winged demons of the sky. Framing Grim was just a bonus to get the freeloading sack of bones out of my house. You eat as though food and money grow on trees.
I don't eat any more than that bottomless pit of a son of yours.